going to be covering in this demonstration is how to turn the reticle on for your Armasight Contractor 640 3 to 12 by 50. And then once you have your reticle turned on, once you select the reticle type you want to use, then we'll go over changing the reticle colors, and then we'll also go over the display brightness. So as I go through this, I'll pause the video to kind of highlight what I'm doing using the right-hand turret. And again, all throughout this demonstration, the only turret that I'm using to make changes is the right-hand turret, or also known as the T2 turret. So I'm holding the right-hand turret down, and it pops up this menu here, right? So these are all the little sub menus within that. So I'm going to want to highlight this option right here. This is what's going to allow me to turn my reticle on and also select which reticle that I want to use. In order to get down to that menu, once you hold the right turret and it pops up the main menu on the right here, just simply turn the turret clockwise or counterclockwise and highlight this reticle option, and a short press will change colors of the highlighted portion, and then you can simply again rotate clockwise or counterclockwise to cycle through the reticle options that are available. So I'll go ahead and play that. Yeah, short press, and then turn the turret clockwise or counterclockwise to cycle through all of your or the reticle options that are available. And then here I just simply do I'm going to do a long press here in a second to basically clear. Once I choose the reticle that I want to use, I'm going to do a long press of the right turret, and it clears the menu off. Now I'm going to want to change my reticle color. So again, I do a long press of the right-hand turret. I'm going to want to highlight this option now. This is going to be my reticle color, and then we'll go through that. So roll down, short press of the right turret highlights it, and then once it's highlighted, I just simply turn the turret clockwise or counterclockwise to cycle through the reticle color options. And then once you've picked your color, a short press will save your settings. And then simply once I changed my reticle color and I saved it, I roll down to the display brightness, a short press, and then again, you turn the turret clockwise or counterclockwise to go through your brightness settings. Thank you.